just got a packet, you're gonna have to kind of fly through this. It's gonna be homework a little bit for you since you weren't here on this day. Sum means to add, right? What is a digit? What about whole number? What are whole numbers? Which one did you say? 2, 4, 5, 6. Okay. What did you put for whole number? Did you do this? Oh, this isn't a good one for sum, is it? Which is the good one for sum? 12 plus 4 plus 2. So they underlined the sum here. That was neat. So add, even. Well, this number's even, right? This number down here, the 7 is odd. Divisibility, 12 divided by 4 equals 3. It goes in evenly, right? All right, Benny, are we good? Please chill. Your Chromebook should be set aside and closed. Your packet should be out. Page 1 should be done. All right, page 2. Show me, write 3 numbers that are divisible by 2. Give me a couple, shout them out. 4. All right, done. Show me 3 numbers divisible by 5. Go. 5. Okay. End in 0. Go. Okay. So that was easy. Guys, I'm happy to have you yell at me, but all right, this is going to get a little bit tricky. So please raise your hand if you have an example of numbers divisible by 3. Josh. 6. What else? Kinley? No, give me something bigger, guys. Avery. Nope, that doesn't work. Peyton. 112 does not work either. What else, Kinley? 1,260. Perfect. See, this is 3 plus 6 is 9. What else, Avery? 48. 4 plus 8 is 12. Well done. 1 plus 2 is 3. All right. Numbers divisible by 4. Remember, the last 2 digits have to be divisible by 4. What'd you say, Amani? Very good. Notice the 40 is what is divisible by 4. What else, Landon? 44. The 4 and the 4 are divisible by 4. What else, Corbin? 1,520,000. Very good. So this should be 4. All right. It's like they copied and pasted from the next one. Remember, this time the digits have to add up to what? 9. Very good. What did we say, Kinley? 279. Beautiful. Josh? 81. Oh, okay. We can take them from the multiplication table, but we shouldn't have to. What else, Amani? 36. Another one from our multiplication table. Okay. Page 4. So this is an even one. So remember, these have to be even. And digits add to what? Digits add to 3, 6, or 9. All right, so give me something that is not on your normal multiplication table, Kinley. 144. 1 plus 4 is 5. Plus 4 is 9. Well done. What else, Josh? 78. 7 plus 8 is 15. 1 plus 5. Very good. Corbin, last one. What? 72? That's on your division, your multiplication table, but that'll work. That's all right. It's even and it adds to 9. Well done. All right, these are a little more challenging. The last 3 digits form a number divisible by 8. What'd you say, Imani? All right, 8 times 8 is 64. That's pretty basic. What else, Kinley? 91. It's not going to work. Why is it not going to work? Remember, multiples of 2, 4, 6, and 8 are all even. What else, Celeste? Oh my gracious. Get out of here, worksheet. Landon. 117. What did I just say about multiples of 8? They are never going to be odd. So these have to end in 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0. Give it another go, Kinley. 32. All right, we'll take them from the multiplication table. What else, Josh? 3,006,000. 3,006,000. 36. Yes, that works. 364. Because all you have to worry about are these last 3 numbers. So 4 times goes into 32. Oh, wait. 8 does not go into 44. So that doesn't work. Well, 44. Sorry. 8 doesn't go into 44. 364, but watch. 8 into 364. We're testing the last 3 digits, right? It goes into this 4 times, which is 32. This is where I'm getting the 44 from. So if this ended in what? A 0, it would work, right? So we could just change this to a 0, 360. That'll work. All right, we're not going to worry about 7s. Look at this rule. The last digit is multiplied by 2 and subtracted from the rest of the number. The result is either 0 or divisible by 7. What? Oh yeah, that's a good plan. Just write some from your multiplication table. All right, is 72 divisible by 3? You would say yes. When it says prove it, you would say 7 plus 2 equals 9. Is it divisible by by 72? By 6, I mean, you would say yes. It is even. 7 plus 2 equals 9. Is it divisible by 9? Yes. 7 plus 2 equals 9. Is it divisible by 10? No. Does not end in 0. Is this divisible by 3? 2 plus 1 plus 0 equals 3. So we would say yes. So it's the prove it that may have gotten you here. So I'm going to leave this up here for another second so you can be sure to check those. Make sure you've got page 5. Page number 6. Guys, you were supposed to have this done. I'm just going over answers. All right. Is it divisible by 5? Yes. You can say ends in 0. This would be no, because 2 plus 1 plus 0 does not equal 9. It equals 3. Yes. Ends in 4. 2 plus 4 equals 6, so yes. We're looking at the last two digits. Yes. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. Is this divisible by 6? Well, it is even. And 2 plus 4 equals 6, so we can say yes again, right? If it's divisible by both 2 and 3, so you could use numbers 8 and 9 to also prove number 11. Is it divisible by 9 though? No, because 2 plus 4 does not equal 9, it equals 6. Is this divisible by 3? 3 plus 9 equals 12. 1 plus 2 equals 3. So we can say yes. Is this divisible by 4? Well, 90 divided by 4. Remember, we're looking at the last two digits here. How many times does 4 go into 9? Twice. Which is 8, right? 1. Can 4 go into 10 though? No. So it would go in 2 more times, but it would have a remainder of 2. So we would say no. Is this divisible by 3? 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals what? 15. 1 plus 5 equals 6. So we would say, well done. You guys are getting it. This one, though, we would say no, because digits do not add to 9. We just showed that they added to 6. They don't equal 9. All right. I know that was kind of quick. Questions on page 6. Pretty straightforward. All right, well done. This is just a reference sheet giving you the rules. You may want these for your quiz. And now we are here. So what I would do for these is I would go one by one. I would say and in 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0. And I would say yes, 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 no, no, yes. It is that simple. Now this next one though, I have to find the sum of my digits. So I am going to show a little bit of work up here. I'm going to say 1 plus 3 plus 2. Here I'm going to say 5 plus 4 plus 1 plus 6. Please stop the extra noise. It is annoying and not necessary right now. This is 2 plus 3. This is 6 plus 5 plus 1 plus 6. This is 8 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1. This is 1 plus 5. Notice I am expecting you to show this work. This is 6 plus 8 plus 2. So go ahead and find those sums. I'm going to give you a couple minutes, and then we are going to answer the question, is it divisible by 3? That's why I moved over here. All right, come on, guys. Add. Some of you haven't even written it out. What are y'all doing? Come on, you gotta write. You gotta show your work. Show your work. Show your work. Show your work. I'm trying to show you how to show your work. All right, we've all smelled farts before. We can get over it. Sixth graders. Sixth graders. Raise your hand if you have a quiz on Friday. You all have a quiz on Friday, so you need to buckle down and get this done. You need to know how to do this and you need to know how to show this work. So please shut your mouth, get over it, use your pencil and do the work. Let's go. Yes, you can say why. I'm just checking them because it's easier. Three does go into 18. What's 1 plus 8? You're gonna check it with us. I'm not gonna check these for you. You're going to check these for us. All right, I'm going to catch up to you. Hopefully you said this equals 6. This equals 16. So what do you do when we have two digits? We have to add them back up. 1 plus 6 equals 7. So make sure you're showing that step too. This equals 5. This equals 18. Is that right? So 1 plus 8 equals 9. This equals 12. So 1 plus 2 equals 3. 1 plus 5 equals 6. And this equals 16. So 1 plus 6 equals 7. All right, are you ready? Do the digits add to 3, 6, or 9? Yes. No. No. Yes. 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 And finally, no. All right. Now let's jump to 6s and do them now. So this has to be by 2 and 3. So if it has 2 check marks here, we're going to say yes. If it doesn't, we're going to say no. If it doesn't, we're going to say no. If they're both divisible by 2 and 3, we're going to say yes. No, no, no. So 6 is done. 4, we're looking at the last 2 digits. Is 32 divisible by 4? Yes, it divides evenly 8 times. Is 16 divisible by 4? Yes, it divides evenly 4 times. What about 30? No, because 32 would be a multiple. What about 6? 6 divided by 4 is even? No, no, no. 11 doesn't work. 5 doesn't work. What about 82? No. So 4s are done. So remember, these end in 0 or 5. So no, no. Yes. No, no. All right. Here we go. I'm going to say, don't worry about 7s. I don't have time for that in my life. I'm not really going to worry about 8s much either. So let's skip to 9s. All right. Did this add to 9? No. Did this add to 9? No. Did this add to 9? No. Did this add to 9? Yes. Notice how easy it is because we showed our work once, so we didn't have to do the work more than once. This did not add to 9. This did not add to 9. This did not add to 9. Done. And then finally, the last one you have to do is by 10. Does it end in 0? So this is the only one, right? If you want to say no in those other ones, go for it. Otherwise, we're done. So this, I'm going to collect them so that you can use them on the quiz. In fact, since you are all are a little bit antsy, why don't you come and stack these neatly right here? Take a short walk. Dad, you better be following me. But sadly, oh my God, I stay with her like that. On the second. Not appropriate, thank you. Alright, head to your feet, my dear. I'm going to take your fingers away. I don't know somebody who did something and did not write their name. Cool. Amani. I need to do one. I know. It's free. Alright, by now you should be in your seat, not running into the teacher. Yep. Corbin. If you do not have it, they do have one with. No name. Alright, don't have it. Otherwise, I have extras right here. Actually, I have 2 with no name, but this one might be from 4th hour. Do you not hear me?
I have that.
Okay.
But Avery kept picking me in the butt.
Avery, no picking. All right, guys. Most of this should be done, but I am going to model how I would quickly complete this. Are you ready? Holy cow, what happened to this box? All right, so we have colored pencils. They're a little on the messy side for some reason. All right. So if you don't color them right now, at least maybe write what color you would color them. Are you ready? Here's what I would do. What I would do is I would start with 2. And I would say, this is 2. This is 2. This is 2. I'm saying it's divisible by 2 because it ends in a 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0. Right? So I'm starting to a list. So when I go back, I can figure out what colors to color them. Once you are done checking for 2s, I would move on to 3s. Should you probably show your work? Absolutely. This is 1 plus 7 plus 2 plus 8. This is, ladies and gentlemen, I'm showing you this quickly because it should have been done. This is 18, which is 1 plus 8, which equals 9. So this is a 3. 3 plus 8 plus 4 plus 7 plus 5. 12, well, let's go this way. 11, 15, 27, 27, 2 plus 7 equals 9. One plus 3 plus 1 plus 5 plus 6. Less talking, more working. 5, 10, 16. 1 plus 6 equals 7. So that's not really helpful. 4 plus 5 is 9. Do you see how you can just walk through and start adding these up? Practice that. 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 1. 18. I think that's 19. Somebody check me. 1 plus 9 equals 20. So this is probably not divisible by 3, right? Oh, I should have said 2 plus 0 equals 2. Sorry. Not circled that one. Crazy talk. All right. 7 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 6 plus 9 plus 4. Less talking, Corbin. More writing, sir. 10, 12, 13, 19, 28, 32. What up? Quickly. 3 plus 2 equals 5, so that's not helpful. Please be quiet. Please be quiet. Brother John, Brother John. Guys. Josh, you're gonna have to leave. I mean, don't do it again in this classroom. Walk out. 4 plus 1 plus 2 plus 8 plus 7 plus 9 plus 6. So 5, 6, 7, 15, 22, 31, 37. So 3 plus 7 equals 10. This equals 1. That's not helpful. 1 plus 1 plus 5 equals 7. 3 plus 5 plus 7 equals 15. 1 plus 5 equals 6. Guys. 1 plus 6 plus 3 plus 3. This is 13. 1 plus 3 equals 4. Four plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. This equals 9. Please shut your mouth, Amani. You're like under the table. Or is that Celeste? Oh, so it's you, Celeste. Thanks for letting me know. Can you please be quiet? Yeah, kind of over it. If you can't tell by my tone of voice. 1 plus 2 plus 8 plus 4. 3. So this is 15. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 1 plus 4 plus 1 also equals 6. Same thing here. 1 plus 4 plus 1 also equals 6. So is it a lot of work here? Yeah. 3 plus 4 is 7 plus 8 is 15 equals 1 plus 5, which is 6. 2 plus 1 plus 1 equals 4. That's not helpful, right? 3 plus 6 is 9, so that sums up to 9. 6 plus 8, right? 14. 1 plus 4 equals 5. I'm just circling the sum. 4, 13, 19. 1 plus 9 is 10. 1 plus 0 is 1. 2, 11, 13. 1 plus 3 is 4. . I think this is 10. So 1 plus 0 is 1. 11, 18, 19. So 1 plus 9 is 10. 1 plus 0 is, again, 1. 5, 6. 6 plus 10 is 16. 1 plus 6 equals 7. All right. So for these, we're going to go through. If it adds up to a 3, 6, or 9, it's divisible by 3. So here we said yes to 3. No, yes, no, yes, yes, no, 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 no. Here's a yes here for a 3. This one added up to 9, so this is also a 3. This one added up to 6. This one added up to 6, so those are both 3s. This one also added up to 6. That was a no, a no, a no, a no, that's a 1. This adds up to 9, so that's a yes for 3. That adds up to 2, so that's a no. So we've got 2s and 3s done. We now have to check for 4s. So we're looking at the last 2 digits. But if it's odd, we know it's not. Does 4 go into 28? Yes, 7 times. Does 4 go into 1? No, it's odd, so it doesn't matter. Does 4 go into 24? Yes, 6 times. Does 4 go into 48? Yes, 12 times. Does 4 go into 96? You can use your multiplication chart if you need to, but yes, it does. I believe it's 14 times. No, 24 times. Is that right? So this is a 4 here. Not 71, not 37, 92. Well, if it goes into 96, it should go into 92 because that's 4 less. 32, yes, 8 times. 48, yes, 4 times. 56, yes, 14 times. Will not go into 5, will not go into 71, 94. We said it goes into 92 and 96, so it should not go into 94, not into 3, not into 57, not into 5. It should go into 84. It does go into 12 3 times, not into 41 or 41 there. So now we have 2, 3, and 4 done. So we're checking for 5. Does it end in a 0 or a 5? Here, yes, so I'm listing 5. No, 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 no. Yes, here, so this is a 5. This is a 5. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. All right, so 5 should be easy. 2 should be easy. It doesn't look like we have to check for 10s, but after 5, we do need to check for 6s. 6s. So we're looking to see a 2 and a 3. Here it's divisible by 2 and 3, so it must be divisible by 6. Here it's divisible by 2 and 3, so it must be divisible by 6. Here it's not. Here it is by both, so it must be divisible by 6. It's also here, so this must be divisible by 6. This thing is not divisible by like anything. This was just 2, this was just 2. That's like nothing yet. That's not 2 and 3. So we're done with 6. So now we can find everywhere there's a 2, 3, 4, and 6, and we're going to color that pink. So 2, 3, 4, 6, this is pink. You should be able to very quickly color within these lines. So we're looking for 2, 3, 4, and 6. So this part of the butterfly is also pink. And this one is 2, 3, 4, and 6. So we're coloring this one pink. And this petal right here. And I notice that I missed one. Now that I'm coloring it in, I see this is divisible by 2 and 3, which means it also has to be divisible by 6. So I'm going to go ahead and color that one in. Anywhere else that you see that is divisible by 2, 3, 4, and 6, looks like Mrs. Boots is doing a fantastic job for checking our work, showing us how we did this. All right, now we have to check for 9, because we're trying to find 3, 5, and 9. So 9, remember, is if it adds up to 9. Here's a 9, right? This one is also a 9. But we don't have to worry about it. This one added to 5. This one up here was also a 9. This one here was a 9. This one here was also a 9. Anywhere else? Just these two? So we have to color these two blue. Blue, pick a blue, any blue. And we have 2 petals to color blue. Three, 5, and 9. They could have like done a pretty pattern or something. What is happening? All right. If the number is divisible by 2 only. Well, I guess we should probably check for 7 real quick, even though I don't really want to. So we'll let Miss Boots figure that out. This one, she said, was 7. Which makes sense. 7 goes into 35 5 times and 7 once. She also said this was divisible by 7. Good gracious. All right, that looks right to me. So, if the number is divisible by 2 only, we're going to color it yellow. So the even ones that we said 2 only, which was literally just this one, right? This is a weird flower. I've never seen one of these in nature before. If it's divisible by 3 only, these 2 down here, we're going to color purple. I think this is purple. So notice these were odd and divisible by 3. The digits added up to 3, 6, or 9. All right, we're cruising, we're almost there. By 5 only, we're gonna color orange. I think it was just one of those. Here's orange. By 7, we are going to color red. So to me, it looks like just these 2 here. It just says if it's divisible by 7. There's no only there. But you're right, some of them did say only, just not that one. Oh wait, what else? Oh, we didn't check this one for 4. 96 is divisible by 4. So that is 2 and 4 only, which is going to be green. All right, my loves. I would, if you would like me to hold on to this for you, please stack it on the top of that other one on your way out. Try and put your things away neatly. 2 and 4. All right, and then you may have a wonderful Tuesday. Right on that other stack that you put your first one. What was that? I'll try not to torment my next class with my horse. Yeah, maybe stop by the restroom or something. All right, our last two are brown.
You mind if I talk all over your classroom?
Yes.
I'm not at.
It's not a classroom now.
No. Well, I'm not.
Yeah,
Going to the first.
okay.
So we have to add it now?
Well, that's how we figured out if some of them were divisible by things.
No, Miss Barb says I can help, so I can look off the clothes.
Miss Booth says you can just use
Yeah.
her.
She said I can use it.
Well, you gotta know how to figure out if it's divisible for the quiz, so.